Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. Jessie and I and the dogs. Oh my God, stop it. You're scared of Alexis. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, Jessie and I and the dogs. We've got Alexis, who's now terrified, and Holley back here. I think she's just sleeping. We are headed to, I don't know, some little town outside of Oklahoma City to pick up a Camaro. What year Camaro, Jessie?
79, I believe.
Okay, so we have the 78 Trans Am there at the shop, and it's got Hurst T-tops. So those were aftermarket. They were a dealer option. The factory T-tops are made by Fisher. They're much bigger, wider.
They're wider, and the fit is just so much better because it was done with GM jigs, not just a guy with a paper template and a sawzall at a dealership getting paid, you know, $3.25 an hour.
So what we're going to do is cut the roof off of this 78 Trans Am and put a roof with Fisher T-tops on it.
Yeah, it's a pretty big task, but it's been done before, and it can't be done again.
So here we go.
So I bought this Camaro to cut the roof off of it for these T-tops. Obviously the tops are in the back of the Tahoe, but these roofs are called the Fisher roof. It's a lot better fitting T-top and better sealing T-top than what is on the 78 Trans Am at the shop.
All right, y'all, that's it for this week. We go on adventures like this pretty often. I will start recording more of it because, as you can see, it's pretty fun and eventful. So like, subscribe, comment, make sure that you tune in every week for our videos, and thanks for watching. What are you doing?
Just washing the window of this new mint-ass Camaro I just bought.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's wrong with that?